Zoe, your lunch is ready. Let's go.
Mom, I don't feel very good.
Oh no, let me check your forehead.
I can stay home with Sam today if needed.
He does feel a little warm.
I'll stay home with him. You take Zoe to school.
Okay, thank you. I'll drop her off quickly. Feel better soon, Sam.
Have a great day at school, sweetheart.
I will, Mom. See you at the bus stop later.
Same time as always, right after school.
Okay, love you, Mom.
How are you feeling now, buddy?
A little better, Dad.
Good. Just rest and drink your soup.
Okay, thank you for staying home.
Remember, everyone, school ends early today. Did your parents know about this?
I think so. My mom mentioned it this morning. I hope my mom remembers too.
Everyone in? Let's get going a bit early today.
I hope Mom knows I'll be there sooner. I'll just wait at the stop like always.
Doors closing. You're really good at puzzles, Sam.
This one just needs a few more pieces.
Take your time. We're not in a rush today.
Mom's usually here by now. Maybe she's just running a little late. I'll just wait right here. It's been a while now. I don't have a phone to call anyone. Dad said if I'm ever waiting, stay right here. Stay. Wait. Stay. Wait. Safe.
Hey there. Do you need a ride somewhere?
No, thank you. I'm waiting for my mom.
All right then, just checking.
That's exactly what Dad told me to say. I did the right thing just now. I just need to keep waiting here. Someone will come for me soon. Plenty of time before I need to leave. Zoe's bus doesn't arrive until 3:30. Zoe? Is everything all right, sweetheart? Mrs. Kim, I'm still waiting for my mom. How long have you been sitting here?
A long time. I think something got mixed up.
I won't leave you alone out here, dear.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kim.
Let's call the school office for your mom's number.
That's a really good idea.
Hello, this is Mrs. Kim. I need Zoe's mother's number.
Thank you, I'll call her right away. Do you think she'll answer?
I'm sure she will, dear. Let's find out. Plenty of time before I need to leave. Zoe's bus doesn't arrive until 3:30. Zoe? Is everything all right, sweetheart?
Mrs. Kim, I'm still waiting for my mom.
How long have you been sitting here?
A long time. I think something got mixed up.
I won't leave you alone out here, dear.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kim.
Let's call the school office for your mom's number.
That's a really good idea.
Hello? This is Claire speaking. Hello, this is Mrs. Kim, the crossing guard. Is Zoe all right? What happened? She's safe with me, but school let out early today. The early dismissal, I completely forgot. I am so sorry. I'm leaving right now. Don't worry, drive safely. We'll be right here. Thank you. Tell her I'm on my way. Ryan, it's Zoe. School let out early.
What? Is she okay?
She's safe with Mrs. Kim, but I have to go now. I'll meet you there as soon as I can.
Zoe's waiting for us. We need to hurry.
Is she going to be okay, Dad?
Yes, buddy. Mrs. Kim is with her.
Okay, let's go get my sister.
Your mom will be here soon, dear.
Thank you for staying with me, Mrs. Kim.
Of course. No one should wait alone.
I was scared, but I stayed calm like Dad taught me. Trust.
Helper.
Brave.
Trust. Helper. Brave. You were all three today, Zoe. Have a great day at school, sweetie.
I will, Mom. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you too. The bus is here.
Be safe. Thank you so much for staying with her. It was no trouble at all. She was very brave. I completely missed the early dismissal notice. These things happen. I'm just glad she's safe now. How are you feeling now, sweetheart?
Better. I'm just glad to be going home.
Me too. I won't let this happen again.
I know, Mom. I trust you.
How are you feeling now, sweetheart?
Better. I'm just glad to be going home.
Me too. I won't let this happen again.
I know, Mom. I trust you.
Home sweet home, everyone.
I'm glad we're all together again.
Me too. Today was a long day. Let's have a calm, cozy evening now.
Let's both check the school calendar every week.
I've set a reminder on my phone now too. I can remind you both if I hear about changes. We're a team. We'll remember together.
You did exactly the right thing with that car, Zoe.
I remembered what you always tell me.
Never accept a ride from someone you don't know.
We are so proud of how you handled that. From now on, we have a backup plan.
Mrs. Kim, the school office, or our neighbor, Mrs. Patel.
I'll remember all three now. That makes me feel better too. I'm glad Zoe is safe at home.
Me too, buddy. We all are.
I feel much better now, in my tummy and my heart.
That's a lovely way to put it. Good night, Sam.
Good night, my brave girl.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
I love you too so very much.
I know you'll remember next time.